Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's an exciting day. It's what we've all been waiting for. I'm going to start tearing the Supra apart. I know we've been waiting on it for a while. I've got the engine back, ordered up the head studs, the main studs, all the parts that we're waiting for that, the head gaskets and whatnot. We're going to start tearing it apart. Probably going to start with some body panels, get the fenders off, get the hood off, get the bumper off. And I'm probably going to drop the whole engine and transmission front cradle down all at once. So let's get started. That's it, guys. The hood's off. Piece number one. Also, everything I'm taking off the car, I think I'm going to sell all the parts that are coming off the car. So if anybody's looking for, stock hoods, stock fenders, there's going to be the back hatch going to come off, back bumper's going to come off, interior pieces, the motor out of this thing. I think what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to sell the parts because I have a feeling we're probably going to go over budget on this. So any money that I can make off the used parts is definitely going to help towards the build. But part number one's off. Everything's in. These are the skid plates. Everything in the car is in just amazing shape. The car's been well taken care of, so that's nice. OEM Supra rims, also for sale. Little things, guys, as I'm taking this apart that I think is interesting. This is the intake. Comes along, sucks from just underneath the hood there, pulling all the air in. Also has one just underneath the passenger side, or I guess the driver's side tail light on this one, the driver's side headlight. So it sucks air into the intake. Also up here on the front, which is pretty neat. They're grabbing air everywhere that they can on it. But bumper's off. I'll keep going, get the fenders off, see if we can't get a little further into this today. Coming apart, slowly but surely. So guys, got the front clip off. I just want to show you, like, I'm really impressed. No rusty bolts, nothing's broke off. The car, like I said before, it's just in really good shape. You know, there's no rust anywhere. All the eco coating's still on everything. So I think it's gonna make the build a little easier when bolts aren't rusting off. Nothing's breaking. I don't have to tap anything, or right. But overall, everything's in great shape. So we'll keep going on her.